Okay, let's go with the home tab. Okay, I'm again opening PowerPoint. Okay, let's go to the option new. Okay, click on the new. I want a blank presentation. Click on blank presentation. I don't want this. I'm just right clicking over here and just clicking on a delete slide. So you can see whatever the slide I already took, it's a deleted. Okay. Now let's take a new slide. You can see in the home section, we have the new slide option. Okay. Go over there and take any slide. Right now, I want a blank one. I don't want any contained one. Okay. Contained means, inside of there is a layout. I can take that particular layout of slides. Okay. Right now, I want blank one. I'm clicking on blank one. You can see the blank slide are over here. Okay. Okay. Sorry for disturbance again. So I already took one blank slide. Let's apply one by one feature. First, clipboard means if suppose I want to copy paste anything, I can do that. But before I write something, if I'm right now typing something, it will be a not writing anything inside of our slide. Why? Because this is not a document. This is not a page. This is a slide. Inside of slide, if I want to write, we need to go to where insert, and there is a section called a there is a group that's called a text. We need to take a first text box. Okay, I'm clicking on text box. Let me draw one text box over here. You can see right now I can write anything inside of that. Let me go to the again home. Let me type anything. Hello world. Okay, so this is I want to write. Okay, after that select whatever you have the word. Okay, I want to select this. So if I want to copy this word, you can see I'm clicking on copy option. Let me click outside, and when I'm pasting, you can see it's a copy paste only. What is the shortcut of copy paste? Control C. Okay, don't forget the shortcut. When I am hovering, you can see the shortcuts are showing. Control plus C for copy and Control plus V for paste. Okay, if I want to cut paste, you can see there is right now my word. Okay, let me select it and cut it. You can see it's cut, and where I want to paste, it will be a paste. Okay, suppose I want to paste into the next slide. Okay, and let me take the next slide, blank document, and let me paste it. You can see it's a pasted. Now a format printing means what? If suppose I gave and apply extra feature on this word, suppose bold and this one and this size and the shadow. So whatever the features I apply for this word, I want all features as it is into this. So how I can apply? There is an easy way. Select that word whatever we had already wrote. Okay, just use a format printing, and after just select whatever you want to execute it. You can see it's as similar whatever the feature I'm applying to the first word, it will be apply as it is to the second. So this is the all about recap a clipboard. Let's go to the slides. Means here I am playing with the slide. I'm checking a different slide. So how we can check? Let me delete it all. Clicking over here, right click, and there is an option delete slide. Okay, let me right click again and delete slide. See, it's a deleted. Let's take a new slide, a blank documents inside of there is nothing that. See, a new document. If I want one more, just click over here and say click a new document. Okay, so let's go new slide. After that, if suppose you want a predefined layout, you can take also that predefined, means it's like already defined by the Microsoft. See, I want a comparison type. I can check that. Like I can write over here difference between blah 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 prompts and cons, and here I can add the points, a differentiate between. Okay, so this is a different layout also. Now again, I want to do a changes with only this slide. We can go with this layout. I want only the title only. So you can see the change the layout whatever I have. Okay. After that, we have the section option. Suppose I want to combine this slide in a one section, I can combine that. How we can combine that? Go to the section, add section. Okay, three are selected, and just write your section whatever you have. Suppose I want to say part one. Okay, part one. So whatever the three slides I have, it will be going to the one section. You can see the section one. Okay. After that, I'm creating another different slides, fourth and fifth. Okay. Let me take it and let me close this. I want this two slides in the one section. Okay. I'm adding one section over here and add part two. Just click on rename. You can see I have right now two parts. So this is the way I can partitionate this slides. Okay, when we are using this feature, if suppose we have the a lot of files, okay, a lot of slide, and if suppose I want to remove this section, we have the option right click, see, remove section and a slide. And if I want to remove at a time all two sections or all section, there is an option remove all section. So you can see I removed all sections. Okay, let's go with the fonts. You already know how to use a font. If suppose I'm writing any letter, let me see. If I want to write, I want to go to the insert. I want to take a one kind of a box. Okay, and after that, go back again to the home and just use the font. Okay, suppose Rohit, I'm typing over here. Okay, and let me select it this first and give the first a font whatever you want. Suppose I want to use this font, you can see it's apply. Again, if I want to increase the size, you can see I can increase size. Again, there is an increment decrement by 2, you can see by 2 increment. If I want to decrease it by 2, see like that. Now if suppose whatever I'm applying feature I want to remove that, I can use a clear all format. Before a clear all format, let me apply bold feature. You can see right now its letter is bold. Italic means tilde one. Underline, if suppose I want to underline, I can give the underline also. Shadow, I can add the shadow also. If I want to use a strike, strike means it's like a erase letter, so I can use that. Okay. Again, I can, if I want to use a uppercase lowercase, I can do that. See, toggle case. Okay, it's not happening because I'm taking one kind of things. Let me do is add a simple normal one. Okay, now it will be a changes. See, lowercase, uppercase, everything toggle case. See, I can do that. Okay, let me do add it in a capitalize for each. Okay, after that, if I want to do distance with the one word, I can use that. See, distance with the each word. So I want a normal one. I taken. Now this is for a font color. You can see if I want to red font color, I can take that. Now whatever I feature apply, if I want to remove at a time, just use this remove. You can see it's removing all feature. This is all about recap about the font. Now paragraph, if suppose I have the paragraph, I can use this section. Like suppose, if I want to bullet point, so it will be a bullet point. Okay. If suppose I have a something Rohit, after that alpha, anything. Okay, let me remove it this. I don't want to use anything things. Okay, normal as it is, not shadow. Color is always black. Okay, let me write as a alpha. Alpha. So you can see the bullet point. I know there is a big letter. Let me do it small. Selecting all. I want in a one size. See, it's in one size. So this is the bullet point. You already know this feature. That's why I'm not that much of explaining. After, if suppose I want to numbering, I can numbering A, B, C, D, Roman numbers. I can pick that. Again, left side, right side, same as it feature, whatever we are apply. Left side, right side. If I want to pick into the middle, so I can use that. But whatever the feature is applied for only this box. Okay. And if I want to move this box, I need to move like that. Okay. It's not like a word. Okay. Let me do as it is into the left side. Okay. And if even I want to do as it is if suppose I have the big something a paragraph and I want to do as a one single column, two columns, three columns, I can do that also. Okay. After that, test direction means if suppose I want to horizon rotate it a 90-degree, rotate it to 70-degree, rotate it like that, so I can rotate that also whatever I want. Okay, means it's like horizontal, vertically, I can do that over here. See the direction about the wording. Okay, text align means left side, center, right side, we can align that. After that, convert into a smart art means we are using in insert a smart art. See, we can apply over here. See, convert into a smart art. See, whatever I have